What's wind? What makes the wind blow? Why do some objects blow in the wind? What sinks? What objects float in water? What floats in the water? An elephant. What object sinks in water? A cup. What objects blow in the wind? Balloons. He said balloons. No, it's really leaves. Just kidding. I don't know. I know. Leaves. Water.
I said, what was wind? Wind is moving air. Moving air. Wind is, I'm going to write it down. Wind. What is wind? Moving air. Nicholas, what makes wind? Fans. Okay, so we can buy tools to make wind, right? Which would be a fan. Wind is moving air. What else makes wind? We said a fan. We said blow dryers. What about us? Can we make air? Can we make wind? How do we make wind? Blowing. Okay. Okay, so let me ask you a question. Now we know what air does. We know where we can find moving air, what makes air move. Now we want to test things. We want to test what we can move. If I blow through a straw and I have a cotton ball in front of that straw, do you think the wind, by me blowing through that straw, will move that cotton ball?
Yeah.
So you don't know for sure. We haven't tried it yet, right? But you think if I blow through a straw, and I have a cotton ball right over there at the end of the straw, you raise your hand if you think I'm going to move that cotton ball. Ooh, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of you. How many of you think if I blow through that straw, I am not going to move that cotton ball? Ooh, wow, we're divided. So this is a question. Will the wind move it? Will the wind move the cotton ball?
No.
Okay, I'm going to say 10 people, 10 students think, 10 people think the cotton ball will move. 10 students think the cotton ball won't move. Very good, Addison. Thank you. How can we prove this? What can I do to tell which one of you is right? Which 10 is right? What can I do? Daniel, what can I do to tell you who's right? This is hard. Go ahead, Jake. What can I do?
You to test it.
Everybody put your hands in the air and raise that roof. Ooh, 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 ooh. You are so right, Jake. We can test it. We can do an experiment.
Blow at your object.
My move.
Good job. Kayla, is your block moving? This morning, we made this chart. We talked about if the wind would move certain objects. Our objects were cotton balls, blocks, scissors, and tissues. Who remembers what they said this morning? Chloe, did you think that the cotton ball was going to move this morning? You did? Did you think that the block was going to move this morning? Did you think the scissor was going to move this morning? And did you think the tissue? So you thought all the objects would move when you blew into the straw? Did you, Chloe? You thought all of them would? Did that end up happening? Who else thought all the objects might move? Kayla, you thought all the objects would move when you blew through the straw? Did they all move? Did they? No. Remember which objects didn't move? The block didn't move and the scissor didn't move, remember? Yeah? Okay, so let's look here. What happened to the cotton ball? Did the cotton ball move?
Yes.
The cotton ball did move when we blew, right? Okay, so we're going to write it moved. All right. What happened to the block? Raise your hand if you know. What happened to the block? Gia. It didn't move. Good job, Gia. All right. How about the scissor? What happened to the scissor? Lucas, what happened to the scissor?
It didn't move.
It did not move. Good job. And how about the tissue? What happened to the tissue when we blew air through the straw?
It moved.
What happened to the tissue when we blew air through the straw? Justin. It moved. Good job. And why did it move? Because it was heavy or light? Light. Good job.
What did you do in experiment? I tried to blow the scissor across the desk. Did it happen? No. What did you do in the experiment? I blew tissue across the table. What do you do in the experiment? I tried to move a block across the table, but it didn't happen.